Hello, everybody. Many of you are working from home right now and don't have a scanner to scan in multiple page documents. So I wanted to show you a quick and easy way that you can do this from your iPhone. I'm going to find my Notes app. I have it saved right here in this folder. It's in the center here, the Notes. I'm going to click on my Notes app. And then I'm going to add a new note. So down here at the bottom right, I'm going to click on the pencil piece of paper icon and start a new note. And then I am going to select the camera icon here from the middle of the screen. If I click on that, I can click on Scan Documents. And then it's going to access my camera. And I've got my document laid nice and flat on my desk. I'm going to position my phone right over the top of the document and hit the camera, take a picture. And then it took a picture of that page. I'm going to take a picture of the next page here. I'm going to get it a little bit further out so you can see a nice editing tool here. If you go too far out, it's going to allow you to crop the picture automatically. So I can now drag, I don't want half my desk in this picture. So I'm going to hold and drag these corners until I get it right on the edge of the document that I'm trying to do. And then once I'm satisfied with that, I can hit Keep Scan. If I want to retake it, if it's not quite right, got that one kind of cattywampus. If it's not quite right, I can hit Retake. We'll go ahead and keep that. So I've scanned 2 pages here. You'll see at the bottom next to the picture taking icon, Save To. So I've got 2 pages. I'm going to go ahead and hit Save on this. It's going to give me a preview inside the note of the scanned pages. I want to send this as an email attachment. So I'm going to select up at the upper right next to Done, there's the share icon, the little arrow. I'm going to click on that. And from the menu down below here, I'm going to select Gmail. And then I can type in the email address for who I want to send this to. My subject. Got to type this whole thing in, sorry. I know I didn't type that correctly. I'm going to type in my subject, and you'll notice that the document is right down here, already attached as a PDF. And I'm going to hit Send. It's a really quick and easy way to use your phone as a scanner with a native iPhone app that you already have preloaded. You don't need to go get some fancy app or pay for anything. Most of you, if you have an iPhone, you have that Notes, and you can do this with your camera. Hope you found that helpful. We'll talk to you soon.